The recommended method for rebooting CVMs is to perform a controlled rolling restart. This process reboots the CVMs one by one, ensuring that the cluster's services and data availability are maintained throughout the process. To perform this procedure, first SSH into the CVM using IP or its FQDN. Then use this command. It's important to distinguish between a standard, controlled reboot and more drastic recovery procedures. A rolling restart is a controlled reboot process and is used for general maintenance on a healthy CVM. Phoenix is a live Linux environment that can re-image nodes where neither the hypervisor nor the CVM is up and running. Finally, CVM root repair, which is a file system restoration when errors are detected on the root partition. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.